State government is talking about the urea fertilizer available in their stores, but on the ground where we are standing, we can understand and see that the people and the farmers are waiting for a long time. Even they don't have a fertilizer and urea, and they are still waiting that when they can get this urea fertilizer. Even a long queue, chaos broke out also in several places during this distribution of urea since morning. Everybody, you can see through this visual that a long queue since morning. The farmers are here and they are just still waiting that when their number will come for taking a urea fertilizer. Even they are just talking that the government has promised that the urea will be provided, but unfortunately, which you can see this long queue, there's no urea available still. They are still waiting for that, and the crowd management for the police also have been deployed at the center where the distribution is going on, where these centers are here. It means that the situation is very different on ground where we are standing in Gosaiganj area of Lucknow. The farmer who are waiting for a long time, we can ask them, क्या नाम है आपका?
अरविंद कुमार।
कब से खड़े लाइन में?
सुबह 7 बजे से।
सुबह 7 बजे से आपको खाद मिली?
अभी नहीं।
क्या बता रहे हैं?
अरे साहब अब बता ही नहीं, एक एक बोरी मिली, वही की प्रतीक्षा कर रहे हैं साहब, लाइन में लगे हैं।
ओके, कितनी आपकी खेती है?
2 बीघा।
2 बीघा
जी।
पर अभी मिली नहीं है?
जी नहीं।
आप बताइए, आपको मिली?
खाद कहाँ मिले, सुबह लगे हुए लाइन में।
सुबह से लगे हैं। आपको मिली?
नहीं।
हमको तो नहीं खाद मिली।
को नहीं मिली।
सर बताइए कैसे?
Not only the men farmers but the women also can be seen here. They are also still waiting that their number will come and they can take the fertilizer urea, but still they are waiting. There are the many women which we can see, they are still waiting for us since morning, and still they don't have the fertilizer and urea. So what would be next? They do not know that. Even the government and the administration is saying that there is adequate fertilizer and urea available on their spot, on their shops, but the ground reality is something different. With camera person Sandeep Dubey, Ashish Srivastav, India Today, Lucknow.